Hey guys, welcome back. Today again we are going to check another version of round function. Yeah. Now this function is round down. If you have checked my round up function, it rounded up the number and increased the number or the digit which is next to the rounding up number by one. Round down is an exactly opposite of round up, where it rounds up a number down towards zero. Round up will move beyond zero, so it will take away your number from zero to a higher number, whereas round down will reduce that particular digit. How? Let's check that. But before that, let's see the syntax. Syntax is same as round or round up. Only change is the naming convention, that is round down. So let's have this function as we had earlier. Let's see what output does it give using roundout. So we are using the same function with same number so that we can see the output side by side. So round down by zero, you can see here it keeps it as it is. Yeah. Suppose I make it 1 decimal. Now it is keeping it as it is. Even though if my number is greater than 5, yeah, it is 3, 4. Now let's see for 5 because it is greater than the digit that I have talked about, that is 5. So I'll say 3. It is not making any change. Whereas in round and round up, it has increased the decimal point. So you can see here it has increased and made it to 346. Round up has also increased because the digit has num or the decimal has a number which is greater than 5. Yeah. So this is greater than 5. So the next digit is greater than 5, that is 6. Hence, this 5 is getting increased to 6 in a previous versions of round function. But wherein round down, it keeps it as it is, whether you have the number in decimal or integer greater than 5 or less than 5. Yeah, need to take care of it. Let's try for the integer part. Let's try -1. Yeah, it is keeping it as it is. Even though my digit was greater than 5. So you can see here the digit was 6, which is greater than the earlier digit, which has got rounded up, is greater than 5. Hence, it had got rounded up and you got the next digit as 6. But in round down function, it remains as it is. Yeah. Let's see for the next digit, next integer. It is again the same. Let's see for third. It's again the same. It is not making any changes. Fourth, it is still not making any changes. And for the fifth as well, it is still not making. Yeah. So roundup will behave like round. However, it always rounds a number down, which is nearer to the zero or towards zero. So if number of digits is greater than zero, then number is rounded down to the specified number of decimals. If number of digits is less than zero, zero or less than zero, the number is rounded up to the nearest integer. Okay. And lastly, the num digits less than zero, then the number rounded up to the left of the decimal point. Okay. So you need to remember this. And I hope I was able to make the difference is clear between these three functions, and you'll be able to apply it while using it in your financial data or anywhere else where you like to. Yeah. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your friends who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any topics in this 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that's how you're going to get all these videos when I post them as soon as on YouTube. And subscribing also helps me or keep me motivated towards creating this free content so that I can share my knowledge. Thank you so much.